Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day or happy upcoming Valentine's Day. Today, I really want to show you the 3 Chanel bags I bought myself for Valentine's Day. Yes, I bought myself 3 Chanel bags for Valentine's Day. These 3 bags I bought over the course of the last couple months, and since Valentine's Day is literally around the corner, this is how I am justifying these 3 purchases. No one bought them for me. I bought them for myself. We do not need a man in 2020 to buy us a thing. Am I right? Am I right? And that's on period. Tell him, Ricky.
And that's on period.
Yeah, you tell him, Ricky. This overrated, overhyped day of love is a day for loving yourself. We don't need anybody else to love us, to shower us with things. All we need to do is love ourselves. I know that sounds corny, but that's legitimately the truth. That's all you need to do. Love yourself, take care of yourself, treat yourself, and that's what I'm doing. So let's get right into it. So the first bag I want to show you is right here, this cute little thing. Let me open it up. So this bag I bought off a friend. I got an amazing price for it. I paid $600, I think, $6 or $650, around 600 Canadian dollars for this bag. Do you guys remember this bag? This is from the Chanel Kanban collection that came out so long ago when I was way too young to afford it. And now I can get it. When this collection came out, I was absolutely obsessed with this bag. I was literally obsessed with this bag. Not this one, actually. What I wanted was the large tote, kind of like the GST size. Chanel Kanban came out with various different color combinations. They had beige with black CC, they had pink with black CC, and then they had black with white CC and a couple other color variations with some exotic skins. But this was the most coveted. The black and white was absolutely the most coveted. I was so obsessed with this whole collection. Definitely could not afford it. And it was so hot for the time, and then it kind of fell off, and it was not relevant at all anymore. They stopped making them. They just became kind of really dated. And now I just feel like it's not dated anymore. And it's so on trend for these fashion houses to reproduce the bags that were hot in the past. I don't know if they'll ever bring this out, but I think it's very, very relevant right now to wear because, it's all about this mini, small little bag. And this is not micro. This is an acceptable mini. You know what I mean? I could fit a wallet, keys, no, maybe not sunglasses. A wallet, keys, cell phone. We're good to go. This is so cute. Let me show you a little details about the bag. First of all, it's in beautiful condition, not 100% perfect. Pretty perfect, actually. Yeah. It's just, it's not shining brand new, but it's pretty new. And the price was just so incredible. And that's why I took advantage. That's why I bought these 3 bags, because every single one of them I bought pre-owned. I love buying things that I know will retain their value. So really, really good condition. And it's got the pocket on the back, 4 feet on the bottom, perfect puffy quilt, perfect handles, bright white CC, and then the inside is hot pink. Oh my God, I love this thing. And it has the key thing that you could clip onto your keys. Oh, I love it. It's got a pocket with a card in it. What an incredible score for an incredible price. When you do buy resale, sometimes you have to make a sacrifice for the item that you're purchasing. So this did not come with the dust bag, but luckily I had this dust bag. This is for a pair of shoes or something. I found them in a pile of my dust bags that I have. And it's not perfect, but it does the job. It covers it almost all the way. The handles stick out a little bit, but that's fine. It has the authenticity card. It's such an amazing score, again, for the price. And this is just gonna be such a vibe. I'm definitely gonna rock this. So look out for this on my Instagram because I am going to rock this and style this so well. Moving right along. Next, I want to show you this amazing bag, also with a dust bag that belongs to a different bag, but that's what I got. This was also pre-owned, and this, my friends, is the Chanel Medallion Tote. This is a bag that's like, oh my gosh, I don't know how old this bag is, but I can tell you the era of this bag. Let me paint a picture for you. This bag is from the Lauren Conrad era. LC. This is an LC bag. Did any of you watch The Hills? Because this is my generation. I watched The Hills. I was obsessed with The Hills. I loved it. Me and my girlfriends were obsessed. We'd always message each other during the show, and Lauren Conrad was the main character of this show. They actually did a reboot of the show, so The Hills is back on MTV, and it's all the same characters except for Lauren Conrad, LC. She's no longer on it. But anyways, in the original Hills, she had this bag in black that she used to carry all the time on the show. And to be honest with you, back then, I wasn't even that into it. She also carried the classic Chanel, and I think she was a huge influence on making that classic Chanel come back to popularity, because back in the day, the classic Chanel flap was considered kind of like a rich grandmother's bag back in the day. I know everyone thinks of it as like this major classic, and it is, but there was a time where it was less popular, and she was kind of one of, not the, but one of the celebrities that really brought it back to popularity. She was wearing it all the time, and that's the bag I really coveted. She was also wearing the Medallion Tote, and I wasn't so crazy coveting that. But I was just cruising on eBay for like a pink caviar Chanel bag, just because, I don't know, I was just looking sometimes when I'm bored on my phone in a waiting room. I just do these things. It's not healthy. I should stop doing it because I don't want to continue to spend money on things I don't really need. But I did happen to come across this bag, and I thought, the Chanel Medallion Tote. Okay, so it's not huge. It's like in the middle of a medium and a large bag. So it's like kind of like medium large. It was a good price. And so what I do when I shop on eBay is I don't rush to buy things even if it's a good price. I let it sit there for a while and see how many people are watching it, because you can see the number of people watching it. And you can also see like if people have made offers. So I kind of just wait and see how things are doing. And then when I see it sitting there and it still hasn't sold like a few weeks to a month later, that is when I will message the seller, and oftentimes I get a better price than the actual listing price. So with this bag, it was kind of just sitting there, and I asked them for just like a bit of a better price, and they said yes. So that's what happened. It's in such good condition. It's like caviar. I like this medallion, I think, is kind of pointless, to be honest, but whatever. It's just, it's in such good condition. There's no marks on it. The corners have no rubbing on it. Still has this thing that I need to cut off, but the inside is also super clean and pristine and beautiful. It is just, it's got a pocket. Can't really get the camera in here, but it is pretty perfect inside, and it's got the card they put in a Ziploc bag. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. The bag completely maintains its shape. The quilt is puffy. The hardware is shiny, not really scratched at all. Like, I feel like this person hardly used this bag. I just think this is such a good score, and I think this was about 1,500 Canadian dollars. That is an insane price, especially for a pink Chanel. The pinks and the reds and even the whites go for crazy high prices on the resale market. They're hard to find, they're more rare. And I guess because this is not such a popular bag and not such a coveted style, I was able to get a really good price on this, but I don't care. I think this style is totally gonna come back. I think it's coming back, and whether it does or not, I'm gonna rock it regardless. I honestly think that Chanel is gonna start making this style of bag again. Maybe not this exact bag, but like something similar, because like I said before, these designers are kind of reintroducing and reproducing bags of the past. I think Chanel will do the same, and I think bags like this will definitely be coming back. This might be my favorite out of the bunch, just because when you feel like you're getting such a deal, it just makes it that much better, and I just feel like this was such a score, such a good deal. Last for my Valentine's Chanel haul. I mean, I just feel like that's totally legitimate to treat yourself for Valentine's Day. Right, Chanel? Chanel, sorry. Last but not least is this huge, amazing Chanel bag that I also bought off a friend, a different friend, who bought it and was like, this is way too big. I'm not rocking it. So here you go. Well, not here you go. I had to buy it. I just thought it was a really good price. And this is not a vintage bag. This is not an old bag. This was a bag just last season. I mean, like, I'm sure you can still find this new somewhere at some Chanel. But this past summer, I saw this in the boutique. I saw it along with white and I think black. I love the gold. I love that it's like a brushed gold hardware, so it's not shiny. Really complements the gold croc embossed leather. It's not croc, obviously. It's croc embossed. It's huge. But the thing is, I need a lot of things. I really, this hair, no. I'm putting it, I'm sorry guys, this is just not okay. I was going for the slicked look, but it was just not. I really envy the girls that can go about their daily life with a small little crossbody or like wallet on a chain. I just don't understand how someone can live their life with a purse that only has like a few cards in it and maybe a set of keys. I just don't get it. I just need a big bag. Do I need a bag this big? Hell no. Even for me, this is too big. This is just like, this is too big. But I think big bags are coming back with a vengeance. I think they will slowly be coming back. And I think in a few years, it's going to be all about big bags. And everyone's going to ditch these mini micro bags. This is an amazing bag. It's functional and it's beautiful. It is too big, but that's okay. I need a lot of things. I got my wallet, my makeup, my phone, some workout paraphernalia. I'm not going to do a what's in my bag, but I just have so much in here and I need this kind of space. And you know, as a mom, I need more space. I really don't want to show you inside the messy bag. There's a lot. But it also has this strap for the keychain. I love that. Super functional and amazing, because when you have a black hole like this, you need to easily access your keys. Just got these chain details all around so you can cinch it in. Or can you? You can cinch it in. You can wear it top handle, or you can wear it on your shoulder with these two straps. And it's got, like I said, the brushed gold CC here, which I love. And this is just so cool and functional and stylish. I just love it. This is the bag that I'm using right now. This is gonna be good for so many things. It's good for like day-to-day life for me, but also for travel, because when I travel, I really take a lot of things with me. And I don't like to take two travel bags. Some people take a purse and a travel bag. I just want to take one big bag, throw everything in. I don't need to worry about like a million bags, just a big bag. So this is just really good and functional. I just love the vibe of it, the look of it. And this was also a really good deal, a deal I could not refuse. I got it for like a third of the price. And the thing is with these bags is that if there's like good opportunities out there, I want to take them, because I don't buy bags like this all the time. Like usually I buy a bag, max 2 bags a year. And oftentimes I'll sell a bag as well. I'll sell a bag and I'll buy a bag. So I never really buy so much at once, and certainly not like this, but these opportunities were kind of presented to me, except that pink caviar that I kind of found by just looking, which I should not be doing. But when these opportunities are presented to me, I want to take them. So I'm super happy about these purchases, and it's the day of love. So I'm going to love myself, and I'm going to shower myself in love in the best way that I know how. With Chanel. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just really needed an excuse to make this video and also to justify these a little bit ridiculous purchases. Let me know in the comments what you think. Which one's your favorite? Do you love them all? Do you hate them all? It's all good. You're totally entitled to your opinion. You guys know I love you so much. I'll be back in a couple days with another really great video, and I cannot wait to see you. So until next time, bye for now.